We like being a partner with Sherwin-Williams because we know the product, we've had a history with it. When you've been working with someone for over 20 years, you build confidence in their product.
So Sherwin-Williams we've used for a long time as our paint company. It's good quality paint. We've had nothing but good things out of it. Our customers all love it.
When we have a problem or a question or a need or like training, we can go directly to Sherwin-Williams. That's a big thing.
Sherwin-Williams has always been there to stand right behind us and help us as a partner, not a vendor, but a partner.
They'll even tell you, hey, this is our kind of paint, this is where you get it, if it's something else. So they're real customer savvy to us as well.
And so support on a, late on a Thursday night when you're painting an airplane, it's important. It's kind of hard to come by, and we appreciate the support.